I'm Justin with AmericanTrucks.com. In this video, I'm going over a flush stance with an 18x9-inch wheel and a +6mm offset with 33x11.5-inch tires on a 2015 through 2020 F150 equipped with a stock suspension. Now, with a flush stance, your tires will line up with the wheel well on your truck. In this video, I plan on going over the clearance with these wheels and tires and stance, and of course, what to expect when driving with this setup. The combination of an 18x9-inch wheel with a 33x11.5-inch tire is very popular with F150 owners who have a stock suspension, as you can see from these pictures provided by fellow F150 owners. Now, this setup will fit any 2015 through 2020 F150 with a stock suspension without needing to do any modifications. Keep in mind here, guys, that 33 inches is currently the biggest tire that you can run with a stock suspension. Driving wise, you can expect to have no rubbing issues whatsoever, as the tires will be free from any contact with the front bumper or your suspension components. This wheel and tire setup with a +6mm offset is designed to give your F150 a flush stance. Now, you can see from these pictures provided by fellow F150 owners that with a flush stance, the tires will sit more evenly with the wheel well, as opposed to an OE stance where the tires are tucked in. A few things to keep in mind here when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 33. When driving, the ride might feel a little bit more sluggish with a 33 compared to your stock tires. Speedometer might read about 1 to 2 miles an hour slower than your actual speed because of the change to a bigger tire. Now, this is really not a big deal. In fact, most F150 owners just keep that in mind when driving. However, you can easily correct this with a flash cow device or a tuning device for your truck, both of which can be found right here on the site. Now, if you do decide to purchase a set of wheels and tires from us here at AmericanTrucks.com, we make it very easy for you to get these on your F150. On our wheel and tire package pages, you'll find setups that you can have mounted and balanced and shipped right to you. You can also choose to have those optional TPMS sensors installed, along with picking up a transmitter tool to easily calibrate those sensors in your tires. Now, to ensure proper installation of your wheels, we do recommend picking up a set of aftermarket 14mm by 1.5 lug nuts to fit the smaller lug holes found in most aftermarket wheels, and again, you can find those here on the site. At that point, just simply have a jack, lug wrench, and some elbow grease ready to go, and you'll have these on your rig in no time. We do also recommend getting an alignment for your F150 after your new wheels and tires have been installed. As always, guys, if you have any more questions about this setup for your F150, you can call our customer service number to speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Again, this setup of an 18x9-inch wheel with a +6mm offset and 33x11.5-inch tires on an F150 with a stock suspension is very popular with 2015 through 2020 owners out there who want a bigger tire and a flush stance, keeping those tires more even with the wheel well on your truck. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see more videos like these and tons of other product review and install videos right here at AmericanTrucks.com.